Welcome back, Cars Critic family. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated performance machines of the decade, the 2026 Chevrolet Corvette C7. This isn't just a car, it's a statement of what American engineering can achieve when passion meets precision. From its aggressive design to its intelligent hybrid performance system, this Corvette is built to challenge everything you think you know about sports cars. Let's start with the first thing everyone notices, the exterior. The 2026 Corvette C7 is absolutely stunning. It's lower, wider, and sharper than ever before. Every inch of the body is sculpted with purpose. The front end has a brand new aerodynamic design, featuring a wider grille for better airflow and cooling efficiency. The LED headlights are slimmer and more futuristic, slicing into the fenders like a pair of focused eyes ready to hunt down the next corner. From the side, you can see the muscular stance and perfectly balanced proportions. This is pure Corvette DNA, refined for the future. Move to the rear, and it's even more aggressive. The signature quad taillights are now three-dimensional, giving the car a high-tech look even at night. A large carbon fiber diffuser and an active rear spoiler work together to enhance downforce at high speeds. The dual exhaust pipes roar like thunder when you hit the throttle, sending a clear message: this car was built for drivers who love speed. The entire body is made with lightweight carbon fiber and aluminum, reducing overall weight while improving rigidity. The result? A car that's not just faster, but also more efficient and agile. Now, let's step inside. The interior of the 2026 Corvette C7 feels like stepping into a fighter jet. Everything is focused on the driver, from the tilted center console to the wraparound cockpit design. The flat-bottomed steering wheel is covered in Alcantara and carbon fiber, giving you a perfect grip whether you're cruising down the highway or attacking corners on a racetrack. Behind the wheel, a fully digital instrument cluster displays everything you need: performance data, navigation, and even real-time G-force readings. The seats are sporty yet surprisingly comfortable, wrapped in premium leather with customizable stitching. They hold you firmly in place during hard acceleration but remain soft enough for long trips. The 12.8-inch OLED infotainment screen in the center is one of the most advanced systems in its class. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even Corvette's new AI voice assistant that can learn your preferences over time. The sound system, developed with Bose, delivers crystal clear audio that matches the car's dynamic spirit.